Are you hungry for the latest news and trends from the internet? Welcome to What's Cooking on the Internet, your one-stop shop for discovering the hottest digital delights. Hit that subscribe button and let's get cooking.
Rap lessons, a teacher's TikTok fame and the future of how we learn in a world full of digital distractions. Can a teacher's viral rap really help kids learn more deeply? Or does it just make school feel less serious for everyone? What do you think? Miss Kaczs, an Indiana math teacher, Natalie Kaczmarski is her real name, has blown up on TikTok. She turned Drake's Nokia into a back-to-school anthem. This shows a growing trend. Teachers are using social media to connect with students on their level, managing classrooms and setting expectations right where students already spend their time. It really makes you wonder how this changes the old-school teacher-student vibe, pushing us toward a more connected, culturally aware way of teaching. Her rap cleverly weaves in key classroom rules, like no cell phones and no cheating with AI tools like ChatGPT. She even playfully preps them for geometry and algebra. It's smart because instead of just listing rules, she's embedding them in Summith. Kids relate to she's tackling today's big education challenges, digital distractions, and using AI ethically in a way that'll stick much better than a boring lecture. She clearly gets her students' world, and this isn't just a one-off thing. Miss Kacz has been making Drake-inspired educational remixes since 2019, turning hits like Right Now and Rich Baby Daddy into fun learning tools. Her consistent effort suggests a real teaching strategy, not just chasing viral fame. It highlights the power of staying creative and how a teacher can build a unique classroom culture over time. It makes us ask, how long can these cool methods last and what's their bigger impact? In an earlier interview, Miss Kaczs shared her philosophy. To be a great math teacher, she first wants to be a cool, quirky lady who makes students feel comfortable and understood. That's the heart of her approach, emphasizing how important emotional connection and good rapport are for learning. When students feel seen, they're usually more open to what you're teaching. It challenges that traditional, often rigid, image of a math teacher and really brings out the human side of education. It makes you think about how personal connection can sometimes matter more than just academic methods. Beyond her classroom, Miss Kacz's viral success sparks a bigger chat about edutainment and how social media is changing what it means to be a teacher. It brings up questions about balancing being authentic with putting on a show. Does integrating pop culture truly boost learning, or is it just a superficial way to get attention? For other teachers, it's tough to pull off this kind of success authentically, without it feeling forced or fake. It also makes us rethink what truly defines a good teacher in the 21st century, where being tech-savvy and culturally relevant are becoming just as crucial as knowing your subject inside out. As we navigate our increasingly digital world, Miss Kacz's method offers a compelling example of how being authentic and creative can bridge generational gaps in the classroom. It pushes us to consider not just what we teach, but how we connect. Maybe the future of effective education lies in embracing the unexpected and finding common ground in the most unlikely of places.